In this video, as part of the NZ Tax series, we're going to look at how to log in and navigate. First, we're going to look at logging in to access APS NZ Tax, then the navigation through that webpage, and also how to open a tax return either from online or also from APS desktop. So once you've entered in the URL, the nztax.access-aps.com, you'll be asked to enter your email address. Now this will be the email address that is set up in your fee earner, and you will have set up a password recently or maybe back some time ago if you're a tax manager to access NZ Tax online. Once you've entered the email address, hit continue. Then it will ask you to enter the password, hit continue again, and you'll be presented with Access APS Tax. Upon logging in, you do need to make sure that you are, as an individual, logged into MyIR. That will show as a green tick up here. If you're not logged in, you can simply click this icon and it will take you to the MyIR website where you can simply enter your username and password to activate this login. You may not see on the left all the options that I do. This is driven by Joe Admin, and if you've got access to see assessed returns, for example, you'll see that option on the left. But today we're going to look at client returns. Here is a list of all the clients and the tax return information. So we've got the IRD numbers, the tax year, form types, the period end and calculation date, the status of the current tax return as it is, and then the IRD status as well. You can simply use the filters at the top to find any clients that you're looking for. Once you've entered a client name, just hit Apply Filters and that'll bring that list of clients up on the screen for you. You can also search by tax number, year, by general tax types and by period end dates as well. We can filter by statuses. Please note that only up to approved is the status of the tax return, and anything following that are tax returns that have been lodged. To look further into a client, we can check the client details. We can check this by selecting this icon on the left. Once you've selected the icon, a new tab will appear and all the client details will be presented to you for the current tax year that you're in. We've got the general details here and the tax year. We would have any documents if there were documents uploaded from here or requested and sent to the Inland Revenue. And we've also got other information moving across the screen. The main ones relevant to you today are the documents and the details of the client. Now let's go back to our client list and let's have a look how to open the tax return. To open the tax return, we use the next icon under form type. To open the tax return, again, we just simply click that to view the return details, and that will open another tab with the tax return in. Here I'm presented with this client's tax return. I can see that it's still in draft, and if I wanted to go into the tax return, I can, and I can work through that. We'll come to entering details into the tax return in another video in this series. So from within the cloud, we've been able to see how to navigate through our list of clients, how to look at the client details, and how to open and review the client return. Now let's take a look how we open a client return in 2024 from desktop. Once you're within the tax returns under the client, if you've done your tax rollover in bulk, you'll see the 2024 return already sat there. If it's not done in bulk, you'll need to roll that matter first to create the 2024 return. To open the tax return for the 2024 year, we can simply click on the return that's been created and open return. This will automatically open this client's tax return in the cloud so that you can get started and work on that return ready for lodging. Thank you for watching this training video where we've looked at how to log in to access APS NZ Tax, how to navigate around, and also how to open a tax return from within NZ Tax in the cloud and also from within NZ Tax in the desktop. Please continue to watch the rest of the videos in this series to look at how to enter information into the different tax returns, into related subforms and schedules.